Today I'm going to teach you how to create a pop-up link with the Elementor text editor. This is a powerful feature that allows you to trigger custom pop-ups directly from text links on your WordPress site. Perfect for capturing leads, displaying special offers, or showing additional information without disrupting the user experience. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress website dashboard and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the admin area where you have full control over your site's settings and features. Once you're logged in, look for the Templates option in your left sidebar menu. Click on Templates, and from the drop-down or submenu that appears, select Pop-ups. This is where you'll manage all your pop-up designs and triggers within Elementor. However, here's something important you need to know. To create and use pop-up links with Elementor, you'll need to upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include the pop-up functionality, so this is a premium feature that requires the Pro license. Elementor Pro gives you access to the full pop-up builder, which lets you design custom pop-ups, set triggers, and link them to text elements anywhere on your site. If you don't have Elementor Pro yet, you'll need to purchase a license from the Elementor website. The upgrade process is straightforward, and once activated, you'll unlock not just pop-ups, but also additional widgets, theme builder capabilities, and dynamic content features that can significantly enhance your website's functionality. After upgrading to Elementor Pro, you'll return to Templates, Pop-ups, where you can create a new pop-up from scratch or choose from pre-designed templates. Once your pop-up is designed and published, you'll be able to link it to any text element in the Elementor text editor by selecting the text, clicking the link icon, and choosing the dynamic link option that points to your specific pop-up. And that's how you create a pop-up link with the Elementor text editor. While it requires the Pro version, it's a valuable tool for improving user engagement and conversions on your WordPress site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.